Welcome to a new lesson. Today's lesson is about hobbies. What are hobbies? It's an activity you like to do in your free time that you like and enjoy doing it. So let's learn how to talk about your hobbies. I will read the words and you can repeat after me. So let's start. Bake, bake. Swim, swim. Read, read. Paint, paint. Play, play. What are your hobbies? My mom bakes. My mom bakes. Mom likes to bake cakes. Mom likes to bake cakes. She bakes a cake. She bakes a cake. My little sister likes to bake. My little sister likes to bake. She likes cupcakes. She likes cupcakes. Swim. My friend likes to swim. She likes to swim. Read. I like to read. I like to read. Paint. My older sister likes to paint. My older sister likes to paint. My brother likes to play football. My brother likes to play football. Let's practice the words again. Bake, bake. Cake, cake. Cupcakes, cupcakes. Swim, swim. Paint, paint. Read, read. Play, play. Sister, sister. Brother, brother. Friend, friend. Little sister, little sister. Older sister, older sister. I like to read. I like to read. He likes to read. He likes to read. She likes to read. She likes to read. What is your hobby? What do you like to do? If you like today's lesson on hobbies, you can like it. And if you're new to the channel, you can subscribe and join me in the next lesson. And do practice the words until the next lesson. Thank you very much. Goodbye.